Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, I am super excited to be doing my very first Telfar unboxing for you guys. I'm really excited to open this box and see the bag in person. This is a true unboxing. I have not peeked. I literally just got in the mail like yesterday and it's been sitting in my corner. So if you guys are interested in seeing this brand new Telfar bag, then just keep watching. All right, so I want to get more into branching out and purchasing from Black owned brands, especially Black owned bags. Like I really do. So I actually have owned from Telfar before. This is actually my 5th bag from them, but as of right now I actually sold 2 and I only have 2 in my collection. This is the 3rd. So yeah, and then I have 2 Brandon Blackwood bags, which is a little bit more pricey, but I love me some Brandon Blackwood. Like his bags are like amazing. Now Telfar is definitely not for everybody. A lot of people don't per se love his bags because I think they're made with vegan leather. So they do have like different designs now, but they still have the same exact 3 sizes. They have a small, a medium, and then a large, which in my opinion, the small is basically a mini bag. I feel like they should have a in-between size between the small and the medium and make it like an actual small. I do not like the mediums. I do not like the larges. I feel like they are huge, and because of the material that they're made with, I kind of just don't like the look of them. Myself actually carrying those size bags ever. Like they're not for me. I'm being completely honest, I think I'm jumping out of my Telfar era. I mean, I think they're still cute, but unless they make a different design or a different size, I'm really kind of like not really checking for them. Now this particular bag, I was like, oh my god, I love it, because I actually have been looking for a bag with a similar feel. So this is what the bag comes in. It comes inside of this little box. Now it used to come in a longer box. Now as you can tell by the size of the box, I got another small bag. So yeah, this one was a little bit more expensive. This one retailed for $175. It does come inside of a bag, which I like, because I like that since the dust bag is white, it won't get dirty through shipping. So yeah, looks like that. And I do like the dust bag. It is a pretty decent dust bag. Like it's really nice. So you guys ready? I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. It's a little denim bag. So I don't know what's with this denim era, but I've been feeling it and I really wanted a denim bag. I recently just seen Coach came out with a denim bag. Also, I was looking at a Jacquemus bag, which was denim, right before this one came back in stock. So I was considering that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of like take her apart. We're gonna open her up. Obviously, it comes with the little Telfar. What I love about this particular bag is that it actually has a zipper compartment. None of their bags have zippers. I want to say the big ones might have a snap closure, but the little ones don't have anything. I love this. So I'm gonna open it up and take everything out. So the little Telfar tag is in here, down there. She is so freaking adorable, like so pretty. I'm not gonna take this tag off just yet because I kind of want to like get a feel of this, try it on with a few things and see how I feel about it. Now the zipper, it does have this little button closure, so you can button it on the side. All right, so you snap it and it has a little Telfar emblem. So we're gonna do a little 360 so you can see. I love that these aren't like super stiff either. Again, I wish they were removable, but I'm not gonna complain about that right now. And I do see some people take their straps and tuck them in. I'm not doing all of that, but I guess that's a possibility. Now I love the color of the denim. It's kind of like an acid wash. It's a little dark, but I love this color. So yeah, all right, so that is what she looks like. Love that. Really, really cute. And I just feel like she's gonna be so cute for the summertime. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what fits in this little guy. Yeah, I'm super excited. Like, I just think she is so adorable. So I've done a video before and I told you guys before, this is my mom bag. These are the bags I use almost every day, especially when I'm with my kids. I don't use anything fancy. This is my Lululemon bag. I'll have a video of, you know, what fits in here and me talking about these bags below so you can check them out. But everything in here is gonna go, or majority of stuff in here is gonna go in here. So first things first is my card case. This is a Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene card case, and it has my ID, gun cards, credit cards, store cards, just a bunch of different cards in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in here. Oh, really quickly, this is my phone case. It fits a 13 Pro, not to be mistaken with the 13 Pro Max. This actually fits in here. Now, I don't put my phone in my purse, but it actually fits in here along with my card case. So I'm not gonna leave this in here because I'm not a phone person, but that will fit in this little bag. Blotting sheets. Another little card case. This is really old, really raggedy. This is my Sephora card case I got like with, I don't remember what came here, like a mirror or something, but this is where I keep all of my like gift cards mainly. So I have some of my gift cards in here, some of my kids' gift cards in here. I leave that in here. No problem. You know, whatever lip I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing a mixture of this NARS Mini Dragon Girl and the MAC Betty Bright lipstick. This is a really, really old collab. So that is what's on my lips today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them both in here. Now on my bags, I normally keep a sanitizer holder. So I could put this on here. Anywhere, I would do that. That's what I normally do. But if you don't want to do that, you can just definitely take a small hand sanitizer and pop her in here. Like, look at that. Still so much room in here. And pop my scent of the day in here. And this is actually a little travel size of AI the Great's Ambrosia Imperial, thanks to my girl here on YouTube, Savings Fashionista. So thank you, girl, because she sent me this. So that's in there with no problem. It is that time of the month, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of these in here. I usually carry tampons too, but I don't have none on me. And look, y'all, it still has room in here. Like, I'm trying to think of what else I can throw in here. I don't know, I ain't finna throw nothing else. But yeah, so I can zip it up and go ahead and close it. And it still has room. Like, now these little bags, because they're so tiny, they take a minute to, you know, form its shape because they come kind of bunched up. But that is her filled. That is her filled up with some stuff in it. Like, now I'm not worried about if I add more stuff, it'll knock the shape, it'll give it some shape. And you can also put like those big puffy things to like keep the shape in here, but I don't mind it. Like, I don't mind it at all. But yeah, This is her, and she does not feel heavy at all. This is adorable. Like, I love this bag so much. She's so pretty, so cute, very different. So yeah, I love this. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in another one. Bye.